Hi guys, it's Daniel here again. Okay, so our most common question about the UEV-440 is people saying, Dan, love the look of it, love the feel of it, but once you're inside, how do you close up the back door? And can I do it if I'm small? Can I do it if I'm female? What happens if I've got a sore arm, etc., etc. So we thought we'd do a really quick video and show you how the rear door closes. So first of all, just imagine it's night time, everyone's asleep, you're about to go to bed, you've locked up, you've checked everything's right. One little good feature that I need to point out actually separately, there's a button here as well, which turns on a light above your kitchen. So sometimes what I tend to do when I'm locking up, I'll turn that light on, make sure everything's put away. Then when you come inside, turn that light off. And then all you simply do is you grab your strap and you lift up your rear. You can see the gas strut took over there, so it was nice and easy. The actual locks here, they're bolts that bolted into place because we're going to sit on it next. So we've got to make sure it's bolted into place, but they're spring bolts. So all I tend to do is undo it, spring bolt comes up. Same on this side, undo it, give it a little pull, spring bolts up. Now the back base is secure. Now this is also a really good little seat. So sometimes in the morning, if you want to put your shoes on or your Ugg boots on or whatever it may be, you can sit here. But from this sitting position, all I simply do now is lean out, and it's a really light door. There is another spring bolt here. So now that locks. So that means we're now secure inside the 440. Nobody can actually open the door from the outside because we're locked in. Now, in the morning, it is as simple as doing that exact same in the reversed order. So what we tend to do, you just lift up the spring lock and turn it sideways, and then the gas struts take over. Okay, so there's your rear. What I do sometimes, depending on how you're feeling after your night, if the kids need to go out to the toilet, I'll make them jump over opposed to undoing the bolts. But if I'm going to do it properly, now all I simply do is undo bolt number 1, undo bolt number 2. Now I'm not the Rock, so that was nice and easy. You grab your strap on the side, you give it a little push down, and what happens is now it just takes over, gravity does the rest, but you just don't want it to bang. And there you go, your back door's open. So now what happens, I'm outside, and it was nice and simple to do. So hope that answers the questions. I know I didn't cover it on a previous 440 walk around, but hey, look forward to seeing you out here to check it out. Thanks.